Ya pemirsa UBI TV, senang sekali kita bisa hadir kembali. Oke, we're back again. Of course, ini masih juga dengan talk show kita ya bersama prajurit TNI Kodam Iskandar Muda. Nah itu tentang sosialisasi atau juga kita sudah mengetahui banyak sekali ya tentang plusnya dan luar biasanya, bahkan juga hasilnya sendiri bersama teman-teman dari prajurit TNI tadi dari Kodam Iskandar Muda yang pastinya juga untuk kursus intensif bahasa Inggris ya, Angkatan Darat Kodam Iskandar Muda. Nah, dan ini adalah sessionnya. Nah, kita juga hadir lagi. Okay, now we are with the different guests. I mean my guest for today. And okay, it's okay, Rio and Yofi. You can briefly introduction to our audience for today. Introduction, yeah. Your name or the, okay.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah.
I will introduce myself. My name is Rio Eskia. My rank is second sergeant, and my unit is Battalion Infantry 115 Acangose.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. The next one, Yofi.
Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Yofi Sandra, and my rank is first sergeant.
Okay.
My unit is 5th Air Defense Artillery Battalion.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys, Rio and Yofi, for coming and sharing your experience about this program, KIBI program khusus intensif bahasa Inggris. And maybe I will start with Rio, right? Okay. Maybe Rio, do you ever think or did you ever think about the English? Is this one of the important things as an army? Yeah, nowadays on for the futures. You know. What do you think? This is like a requirement in soldier or?
I think English is very important in recruitment for joining military.
All right.
As well as for operating weapons.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
And for overseas assignment.
Yeah, because nowadays like how to make something, how to get new information is very easy to us if we understand in English, right? Okay, yeah, that's very good. So maybe about your own experience, do you have any tips or I mean like your trick yeah, key success as a success key or your tips to learn English with fun and easy to understand.
Success tip.
Yeah, success tip. Yeah, maybe for the our audience, untuk pemirsa di rumah nih, ya supaya juga bahasa Inggrisnya bisa lebih sama kerennya dengan Aryo. So what do you have tips?
Yes, I have one tips or one secret.
Okay.
By learning with vocabulary. And
so what is that?
Sometimes listening to music.
Okay, that's good
watch
way.
Movie and video. And sometimes trying writing the lyrics after reading English books.
Okay, that's very very interesting, right? It's like listening to the music. You are writing also in English, right?
Yes, writing.
Okay, yeah. Because by that, if we don't know something, I mean to improve our vocabulary, we have to find it out, yeah, for our good writing.
Right.
Okay, that is it's work for you. That's berhasil for your English to improve your English.
It's work for me.
Alright, that's very good. Nah, pemirsa, maybe you can try and practice like what Aryo said, yeah, about how the way to improving the English. Okay, very good. Key success, right? Okay, so next question I want to ask Yofi. So, what's your planning for the future after you pass this program, this KIBI program? Maybe you have any next level of English, or maybe I don't know. Maybe what did you say?
In future, after this course, I'm planning to maintain my English.
Okay.
Like maybe by reading books, or watch movie or videos.
Yeah.
I Maybe I want to practice my speaking skill
Okay.
by find a language friends to practice my speaking skill.
All right. So I also curious about all of your friends. I mean, in your base camp, how to say base camp? You're originally where's do you? Yeah, battalion. All of them is also in this program, or maybe just selected some of people.
Yes, 1 year only 2 or 1 soldier
Okay.
to join this course.
Okay. How about the other one? They also have a chance. They will go after you back, or
Yes, maybe next year.
okay.
Will change.
Yeah. I think maybe what's the category you are as one of the selected one? I think because your English is more than your friend. Maybe, yeah, right.
One point is that, and other point is physical. Our
Exercise,
our physical
training or physical training.
more than other, so we can join the course.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Maybe I can adding for the additional. Maybe after you finish this program, you can also start with your friend when you go back after this program. Maybe you can learn. You can teach them to study English together. I think it's a good way. Yeah, before their time to also have the same opportunity in this KB program. All right, very good. So yeah, maybe. Yeah, Rio and Yofi, as I know, based on my conversation with your friend before, yeah, your English is very good. Do you have anything to say to your commander and the teacher and mentor, especially for this program, and because of them is really helping you in English and for your next level of career in the army and the future? Maybe you start with Rio. Do you have any to say?
I
To
would
commander.
say thank you for commander and our teacher for teaching us to improve English language from zero to hero. That's all.
Yeah, that's very good. Mantap. Okay, Yofi, you have something to say to you.
Same like Rio, I want to say thank you for our commander
Okay.
and our peace commander, Major Zahirman, and our teacher, Miss Kora, Miss Kristen, Miss Mala, and Major Wendy. I think that's all.
Yeah, that's all. Okay, it's very interested. So yeah, maybe before we stop, I want to know. Yeah, you still have how many days to finish this program? Maybe for how many days you will stay together for the KB program?
For
Yeah, the rest of the sisa harinya, bro. Oh,
1 week.
1 week, one more week.
1 more week.
Okay, yeah. Okay, because you guys already together for 16 weeks and then the left is 1 more week, yeah. Yeah. So your English is really improving. Yeah, after this program.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Okay, you can comparison by yourself, yeah, before you guys in this program and after you in this program, your ability to speak and to know the new vocabulary is improved day by day, right?
That's correct.
Okay, so yeah, maybe for the last question, as you guys, Yofi and Rio is our last session for today as a guest. Could you give us a flavor, maybe to say you have something to say to pemirsa, to our audience yang menonton kita nih? You want to say something relate to English or maybe for the young student, adik-adik yang masih SMU yang ingin pursue karirnya di TNI. So, okay, anything you want to say? I give you a special part for this. Okay, maybe start from Yofi first. It's okay.
I say, the English is very important.
All right.
Especially in army.
Army, yeah.
Almost all of our heavy weapon, like tanks or artillery,
Okay.
that is operate in English.
English, okay.
So knowing English is very, very important.
Okay. Yeah, that's very good point, right? Also for the the audience, maybe adik-adik nih yang pasti juga pengen jadi TNI atau juga perwira, English is very also good point ya. Oke, for you to untuk setelah lulus nanti atau juga ketika kamu juga menjalani pendidikan atau juga bertugas nantinya. Oke, yep. Okay, next Rio, you want to say something to our audience to in-house?
I will say something to audience and house. English language is very important
Okay.
because English language is international language, and don't be shy and don't be scared to learning English.
Alright.
You have practice every day, every time, every hour, every minute, and every second
Yeah.
to be better, to improve English language.
Alright. Yap, so excellent. Ya, ini pemirsa dan kita juga sudah berada di penghujung gelaran untuk UB Talk Show. Ya, pasti juga kita sudah melihat isi hasilnya ya, bisa dibilang hasil. Wow, it's really 2 thumbs up, really amazing. I really impressed how the way they are speaking, their pronunciation, and their vocabulary, their ability to speaking is really good. Yeah, because it's not easy. Even in Indonesia, sometimes we just with the face of with the camera, we have no idea and like speechless, right? But it is in English. You guys prove this program is really excellent. Okay, thank you so much, Rio and Yofi. See you next chance. Thank you for coming in our talk show for today. Really appreciate and good luck for this program, of course ya. Untuk program tentunya juga kursus intensif bahasa Inggris Angkatan Darat Kodam Iskandar Muda untuk para mentor-mentornya ya, pasal juga pencetusnya. This is really works ya, dan tentunya juga sukses for your next career. See you next in the future. Okay, we have to say goodbye to pemirsa ya, to audience right now. Me Armian Nasri.
Me Rio Askia.
Okay.
And me, Yofi Sondra.
Okay. See you next episode. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.